My name is Matt Danacourt, and I'm an applications engineer here at Hanna Instruments. Today I'm going to show you how to use one of our handy checker series handheld colorimeters. Hanna manufactures over 25 different checkers that are useful in a variety of applications, from water quality to aquaculture to plating and more. At about the same price as a chemical test kit, these handheld colorimeters are an accurate and affordable way to characterize an unknown substance in a water sample. Each checker tests for one single parameter. Today we're going to use our HI705 for low-range silica content. When you receive your product, you first want to inspect it to ensure that everything is present and accounted for. With the HI705 checker, you will receive a case, your checker, a quick reference guide and instruction manual, one AAA battery, two 10 ml sample cuvettes with caps, one bottle of reagent A, 6 packets of reagent B, and 6 packets of reagent C. If you're missing anything from your kit or something is damaged, you'll want to contact our customer service department. Otherwise, go ahead and install the battery and get ready to take a sample. Taking and measuring a sample is fast and easy. In just a few simple steps, we'll have our results. First, turn the checker on by pressing the button. After all of the segments are displayed, C1 and Add will appear, with press blinking. Next, fill a cuvette with 10 ml of unreacted sample and add 6 drops of HI705A-0 reagent A. Replace the cap and swirl the solution. Wait 4 minutes and add the contents of 1 packet of HI705B-0 reagent B. Replace the cap and shake it until it's completely dissolved. Wait 1 more minute. This is your blank. Make sure the cuvette is dry and void of any fingerprints by wiping it down with our HI731318 lint-free cloth, sold separately. Place the cuvette into the checker. Be sure to align the break in the cuvette's 10 ml line approximately with the hinge of the checker and close the cover. This indexing is important to ensure a constant distance for the internal light to travel. Press the button and wait for C2/Add to appear, with press blinking. Remove the cuvette, open it, and add the contents of 1 packet of HI705C-0 reagent C. Replace the cap and shake until it's completely dissolved. Lightly tap the cuvette to remove any bubbles that may interfere with the reading. Wipe and index the cuvette back into the checker and close the cover. Press and hold the button until the timer is displayed on the LCD. When it's finished, the instrument will directly display the results in milligrams per liter of silica. And that's how you measure silica using our HI705 checker series handheld colorimeter. Make sure you immediately discard your sample, otherwise you might permanently stain your cuvette. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please contact us at